Yeah, sure. So, thank you, myself, Gupta, and I'm having overall 7+ years of experience in front-end technologies, and 11 into React.js and other means front-end technologies 5+years. And currently, I'm working as a front-end engineer in my current organization, and my current organization name is NandaniJR Private Limited, and it's based out in Hyderabad. And here I'm working as a senior front-end engineer and primary skill in React.js, Next.js, TypeScript, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript. So currently we are working with one of the client name is Iron Mountain. So we are working with them in one project that is PC7. So that's my recent project. So we are working in this. So that's a whole thing.
Great.
Yeah.
For almost 7 years, why you haven't touched more?
Yeah, no, actually I have 2 years experience. I have yeah, Node.js also I have 2 years experience.
Okay.
Yeah,
Quite, that's a power fluctuation, I guess.
yeah, yeah.
Mohit, I'm unable to see you. It's kind of dark.
Network issue. Network issue. Now it is visible.
Yeah. Okay, Mohit. So, tell what's special about React?
Yeah, so React is my favorite language, and React is library that provide great end-to-end functionality. It is scalable and designed for businesses using AWS and we are using virtual DOM, which minimize the DOM manipulation, and also we can improve performance. So that's yeah, real advantage.
Okay. That is good. So, you predominantly used TypeScript or JavaScript?
Yeah, both I have experience. JavaScript and TypeScript.
In your opinion, which one is better?
Yeah, TypeScript is better. JavaScript and TypeScript. For example, JavaScript is library which can be evaluated, implemented,
But also adds additional complexity for parallel compiler, right?
yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to understand. So TypeScript, of course, it's type defined. You can specify the types, data types there, right? Coding, but also it adds an additional complexity when it comes to serving the browser, right? Because that's an additional step. It has to translate, correct? You're just saying yes or no. I want your opinion, right?
Yeah, TypeScript I have experience from the languages
Okay, so why would you go for TypeScript still?
yeah, because TypeScript is yeah, TypeScript is flexible. TypeScript can type anything that 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 can be flexible. We can implement certain things like the library and anything in the library is
Okay. Okay, so in the 7 years, you might have worked on several projects, right? Couple of projects. Which one do you say or feel was a good learning and also the complex? Okay, then let us explain me about the project and three things I want to know. First, the functionality, concept, then technical implementation, how you actually organize the code and develop the solution. Third one is what was your role, what was the team size?
Provides retail banking customers and with personal AI-driven lease transaction monitoring and policy management, basically. And for technical implementation, we have used React.js, Next.js, for server-side rendering and static site generation. And also we have integrated AI and APIs to fetch real-time data, and it's basically implemented rule-based authentication with keylogs. And for code organization, we followed a modular component-based architecture with reusable components, and we have used tools for state and side effects. And for state management, for contextual, for global state management, we have used. And code splitting we have done, and lazy loading were applied to optimize performance in this project. So my role in this project was I was working as a senior data engineer, and I am responsible for designing UI components and integrated APIs and ensuring security and mentoring engineers. So that's my work. And also team sizes in this project, the front-end team had 6 members working closely with back-end engineers and doing agile environment level in this project.
Okay. So basically, if you're doing modular architecture, and I just realized this is L1 interview, right? This is the first interview, right? Okay, I thought it's an L2, sorry. Yeah. Anyways, then go ahead, Rohit, let us present your screen. Let me check your skills on React. It's load, yeah. Yeah. Can you open a notepad or any editor, even if you're comfortable with editor, anything is fine with me. Okay. So the module architecture you described, right? Can you give me the file folder structure, how you maintain? The project that you explained.
At the root level, we are working. We have development components.
Sure. No.
That's what we have components, pages, services, hooks, styles, then utils.
This is a pretty much standard architecture. You said modular architecture, so what's the difference?
Means the standard folder structure like components, pages, services, hooks, and util organized code by file type of or features.
No, that I understand that. So you mentioned modular architecture in column, right? Can you explain how does it fit in this particular way of organizing?
Means organize the code by feature or functionality rather
कोई रुपया देता फोन उनके
Okay. Okay, now help me design React two things. First one, just define a small component, right? A login component. Instead of a page, I want it to be a reusable one. So use keycard, right? So whenever there's a timeout, so the model can be popped up and the login credentials can be acquired. So the component can be separate from login, right? So define that login component. That is first thing. Second thing, in a page level, just help me write the render function, right? Hook. Give something. Hook.
ठीक
Import and all is okay, yeah. Just come and come.
तो हुओं के ओकरा बाप को
Yeah.
फोन कर कहलक है जे अब हम न बचब से हियाँ के बंटवारा कागज उगज बन रहलै है घर किनको तो उहे कहलकै जे तीन तीन तल्ला दुनू के होकर 6 तल्ला एगो नीचे में भी है 2 BHK तो ओकर आधा आधा किराया ले जतै सबके कागज उगज बनवा देलकै है ओकरा से कुछ कर से पार्किंग के रखू कहलकै एकरा कहै लेल कि पार्किंग में दुनू के रहतै तो ओकर किरायादार रहतै गाड़ी रखतै अपन गाड़ी कोई किनतै तऽ रखतै तब आधा आधा दुनू पार्किंग लेतै ऊपर के सब बाप कहै छै जे अब हम न बचब हम जल्दी जल्दी उहे कहै छै जे उतना समझलियन है जे काहे नहीं बचिएगा दमादो अब रहे चल रहे कल से आप कितना इंसल्ट करते हैं कहलक ना आप तो इतना झगड़ा किए हुए हैं आप रह पाइएगा कहाँ हमको अक्ल नहीं था इसीलिए रह पाइए तब दमादो आके लेकिन दुनू बुझै छी जे अकेला छी एगो रहत ओहि जाते जाते भूल गई कितना पड़ा एसी के
2600 टोटल उठाया है, पर 1500 देते हैं, 1100 हुआ।
1100
Yeah, that is fine. Yeah. Third, what is the function that you are trying? Yeah, that is fine. Yeah. Third, what is the function that you are trying? My export default function page up. Oh, okay. So continue. Sorry.
Yeah, sure.
So this particular export function, what it does is, what it does explain?
Create a function component. It will represent the
Explain
page
what
function performance. Yeah, export
how it
function.
goes.
Can you again explain what you are asking?
No, what it does do. For example, first two I understand. Third one, what you are trying to do. When it is triggered, how it works.
Because the code defines a custom use timeout model, and that triggers a model basically.
Okay. So what I was expecting is the page is ideal for some to understand. So is it understand correct or?
Yeah, that triggers a model to open after a specific timeout. That provides a way to close the cluster.
Okay, this is good. But custom component, I think you are able to do it, which means it's good. On the use of it, I think I am okay with your coding syntax and everything. Yeah, you're okay. But next set of things will be your exposure to Node.js, right? Explain about your. Explain how much skill you have on Node. So what APIs are developed using?
Yeah, RESTful APIs are using Express.js, handling authentication, data validation, and database integration with MongoDB.
MongoDB. So now, okay. Mohit, like, any questions you have for me?
Full stack kind of code.
No, the question was open for front-end role. What the tag team, the HR team said is correct. But see, it's a common practice, right? So we see there is a continuous learning ability that we seek from the people we hire. So just a React means it is like you have refined yourself only to React. That doesn't shows that you are exploring other technologies. So if you are interested in Node, that is a good way to progress. So that's how we see it. So having an experience with the Node will actually help the communication, the understanding between the backend team and front-end team stronger. And there need not to be a middle person, like tech lead who will actually talk to each other. That's a conflict. Each one can have a better understanding. So my question was related to that. Yeah, it will be on a GCP, but that doesn't matter, right? Basically, this is a CI/CD person's problem, not our problem. So we basically develop backend will be Dockerized, front end maybe Dockerized, and not sure about the architecture how it is going to be front end. Maybe it is a plain old CDN based deployment. Yeah, we will know. Anything else? Okay, Mohit, then. Nice talking to you. We'll certainly get back to you. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Have a good day.